Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's making a great night, folks. Don't take anything personally. Ignore the opinions of others. Whatever people do, feel, think, or say, don't take it personally. Others are going to have their own opinions according to their belief system. So whatever they think about you is not about you, but is about them. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 34, NASDAQ down 25, S&P's up 1.5, gold contract up $16.60, trading at $12.49.90 an ounce. Silver up 20 cents at $18.23 an ounce. Both gold and silver, folks, wide price spread, have the volume behind the move. You get the gold contract taking out another B point of an ABC structure on the way up. You have two separate ABCs now on the way up. We get one with the price projection of $12.81. You get a longer-term one, $12.89. Bottom line, I suspect we're going to get there. That being said, we're going to change this up a little. I'm going to go right over to the GDX. Why? If you take a look at the GDX, which are the gold stocks, folks, okay? Bottom line, GDX is trading 24.37. We did 44 million shares out here, and yeah, this is going to be a trip, watching this thing shake out coming into a Friday. And specifically what I mean is this, is that you had the GDX sell off as we come into the close. We go take a look at Barrick Gold. Barrick Gold ABX, which is the largest weighting structure inside the GDX. That bottom line, that got to was 2026 at the high, 1969. You're still, it looks like it wants to fill up this gap at 1937. Now, Newmont, which is the second largest weighting structure inside here, also couldn't hold its high. You're coming into a high volume low from yesterday. We'll see how that shakes out tomorrow morning. Gold Corp is the third largest weighting structure inside here. Take a look at Gold Corp. Gold Corp also got to a high of 1728. We closed at 1682. You take a look at the XAU. What the XAU did, that got to 91.86. You closed at 89.61. You know, when you start wrapping all these together, what I expect you're going to see and do out here tomorrow is that I do expect that we're going to see gold continue higher, silver continue higher, and the metals themselves, the equities themselves, I do expect them to go higher, but I expect there's going to be a cat fight and a dog fight and a bear fight and a bull fight in the morning in a big way. That's how this seems to be shaking out. Notes, we go take a look at the note market. What do we have with notes? 10-year note out here, monster volume, folks, okay? So the note and the bonds, 10-year note, 30-year bonds, they had huge volume yesterday and today. We did 3.2 million contracts out here today. Yesterday, you know, you did 2.6. Most times, folks, big contract volume inside the 10-year is 1.7. So that's telling me, number one, we're going to get up to the high tomorrow, which is an additional 14 ticks. We very well might break it. Now, if that's what the case is going to be, that should put selling pressure inside the S&P. I know that's a sacrilege and there's no such thing as that, but we'll see. We'll see how it shakes out. So 30-year, we go take a look at the 30-year bond. 30-year also had huge volume in it today. We take a look at the 30-year. 30-year did 439,000 contracts. Big contract volume for the 30-year, folks, is like 257,300. You're approaching the swing high, which is 153.21. So that's a point and 20 ticks. Expect we're going to get into it. King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? We take a look at King Dollar. What we have with King Dollar is this, folks. King Dollar out here trading at a price point of 100.960. You've done 32,000 contracts. Those 32,000 contracts, you know, bottom line, you're coming into a little swing area here with 41,000. And I expect we're going to go after it. You know, King Dollar's in a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. That has a price point, a price projection of 96.925. We go and we take a look at the S&Ps. What do you have with the S&Ps? S&Ps out here went to another high, stayed at a high. That means you can get higher. We're at 236.44 in the S&Ps. We take a look at the Dow Industrials. Also made another high, at another high, all of the above. We're 20,810. It's almost like we were just at 20,000. You're already, we've done 1,000 points in, let's see, 20 days. Not even 20, well, not even 20 days, because not 20 trading days, 20 calendar days. We were at 19,800 on the 2nd of February. NASDAQ Composite. So the composite and the small caps, they went down slightly. Composite was off 25 bucks. You're at 58.35. Volume-wise, inside the composite, we did 1.86 billion. We take a look at the 3Qs. That also pulled back slightly. That was down 49 cents, 17 million. Small caps also pulled back. And had an expansion of volume. Now, the small caps, once again, are showing that they are the weakest indice. The small caps are the only indice, folks, that are also still in the consolidation. They were outside the consolidation that we've been in since December 5th. They got back outside that consolidation 7 trading days ago, and they came back inside it. And they came back inside with an expansion of volume. You'll see how this shakes out. We had hit a high with 21 million shares on Tuesday. We come back inside it today with 24 million shares. Now, what that does set up is that it has a shot to get to the bottom of this consolidation. And that would be quite a move in the context of how markets have only moved up. We are at 138.27, 138.75, 133.17 would be the lower end of this consolidation that we're trading in right now. We're going to take a look at the silver market, what you have with silver. Silver also has the juice behind it, has the volume behind it. We've done 96,000 contracts. You're at a price point out here of $18.17. And as I said a little bit earlier, you get that's also in an ABC structure on the way up. And this is another ABC that silver's doing, actually. 1663. It's a good one, too. It's a big one. Silver's going up to this $19.12. Gold's going to the $12.89. You stay right there, folks. I'll come right back.